patriotism या देशभक्ति, patriotism is a very old word. It came during the Roman civilization. So being a patriot means to love your country unconditionally. And nationalism is a new thing. It's a new word, a new meaning, which is not very old. The basic difference between the two is, whereas patriotism speaks about love of your country, it doesn't inculcate hatred for another country. Whereas nationalism is basically you love your country, but you are very protective about your culture, your ethnicity, your language, your cuisine, and anyone else who doesn't agree with you start hating that. So हिंदी में अगर मैं कहूँ तो अच्छा पैट्रियट वो है देश के लिए जान दे सकता है, नेशनलिस्ट वो है दूसरे की जान ले सकता है. So patriotism is a positive quality and nationalism is a negative quality. A patriot loves everything about a country, but they need not agree with the government. A good patriot, a good citizen will question all policies of the government, any policy, any reforms, and they have a right to agitate because they love their country. Whereas nationalism, the moment you speak, the love of the country and the government is same. That is, so any policy that comes with the government, anything that government does, you are supposed to like it and propagate that. So if you disagree with that, then you are considered anti-national. Will always question, they will agitate because they love their country. But nationalism, the example I can give you is Nazi Germany or North Korea, where everything your government does or the head of the country does, you can't disagree, you can't dissent. So this is that is why nationalism is a negative quality, because it teaches you hatred for other people, it stops you from independent thinking, and you have to just abide by everything that the government or the government of the day or the policies of the leadership that are there. So it is more inclusive for a particular race or a community or a ideology. India has great diversity. There's nothing common between Ladakh and Kerala, between Gujarat and Manipur, between Haryana and Tamil Nadu. But why we qualify to be a nation state and a country with such a past, glorious past, and we have stuck together and now we are progressing with, because everyone has a shared vision of what India stands for. Therefore we qualify to be a nation state, and therefore for us nationalism should not become an instrument where we start hating another nation, other people, or we defend very strongly our thinking, and we are a very diverse country. So for us, being patriot, say Bhagat Singh was a patriot. People who fought 1857 first war of independence, जिसको सिपाही म्यूटनी ब्रिटिश ने नाम दिया था, they were all patriots because we were looking at freedom of the country from foreign domination, and all caste, communities, ethnicities, everybody was involved in it. While nationalism, I will say what Nazi Germany was under Hitler, or what Russia was for a long time under the communist regime, where you just can't speak against any policy of the regime that is in power. So that is where the difference comes between, and India is, of course, it's a new term for India as far as more and more nationalism is being used today, which is actually not correct. At least the young generation should be able to distinguish between the two.